is Fiona with WTI, and I'm going to share with you the Mendini by Cecilio Trumpet. Me and my sister love learning new instruments, so this is the opinion of an absolute beginner. And I think that from a beginner's point of view, this is an amazing quality trumpet. And it comes with everything you would need as a beginner or someone who's been playing trumpet for years. So let me show you everything that's in this case. So first of all, the way the trumpet fits in the case is really nice. You don't need to worry about it getting bounced around and damaged. And it has a really nice spot for the mouthpiece as well. It also comes with the valve oil, a nice strap, and white gloves, and a cleaning cloth. So now on to the sound quality. Again, I am an absolute beginner, just learning how to play. And I will show you a video of me learning my first couple of notes so you can hear the trumpet in action. So I think that this trumpet is great quality for beginners or experts alike, and that's just my point of view.